Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes.
Today we are creating a simple drawing app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in by examining the HTML code. Here, we have the basic structure of an HTML document. We start with the doc-type HTML declaration, which tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Then, we have the opening HTML tag with the lang attribute set to English. Moving on to the head section, we have several meta tags. These tags provide metadata about the document, such as character set, viewport settings, and compatibility directives. The title tag sets the title of the web page, which in this case is Drawing App. Next, within the body section, we have a canvas element with the ID canvas. This is where our drawing area will be located. Below the canvas, we have a toolbar represented by a div with the class nav. Inside this toolbar, we have various color options represented by div elements with the class CLR and data CLR attributes specifying the color. Additionally, we have two buttons, Clear and Save. These buttons will allow users to clear the canvas or save their drawings respectively. We also have a color picker input field that allows users to select a custom color for drawing. We link an external CSS file named style.css using the link tag. This file contains the styles that will be applied to our drawing app. Lastly, we have a range input slider that allows users to adjust the size of the drawing tool. Now let's move on to the CSS part, where we'll design our drawing app. Here, we're targeting all elements using the wildcard selector. We're setting the margin and padding to 0 to ensure there's no extra spacing around elements. Additionally, we're hiding any overflow content. We're also specifying the font family to be Arial, Helvetica, or a generic sans serif font. Next, we define the styles for the navigation bar with the class .nav. We're setting its width to 450 pixels and fixing its position at the top of the viewport. By using left 50% and transform translate x-50%, we center it horizontally on the page. The background color is set to a soothing shade of blue, with some padding and a border radius for aesthetic. Now, let's focus on the color options represented by the .clr class. Each color option is a square with a height and width of 35 pixels. When hovered over, it enlarges slightly with a smooth transition effect. We've predefined a set of colors for users to choose from. The buttons have a simple design. We've removed the default border and outline, set a background color, adjusted padding for spacing, and added a border radius for rounded corners. The color picker input field is styled to have a specific width and height. This allows users to select a custom color for drawing. Finally, we have styles for the range input slider. The output element age output ID displays the current value selected by the user. The range input age input ID has a gradient background and a custom appearance. Users can adjust the slider to change the size of the drawing tool. Welcome back, everyone. Now it's time to add some functionality to our drawing app with JavaScript. Here, we start by fetching the canvas element and the body of our HTML document. We set the dimensions of the canvas to match the dimensions of the window. We declare variables to hold the current drawing color and line width, also initialize variables to keep track of the previous position of the mouse, and a Boolean variable to indicate whether the user is currently drawing. We listen for input changes on the color picker input field. When the user selects a color, we update the color and set the background color of the body to match. Similarly, we listen for input changes on the line width slider. When the user adjusts the slider, we update line W and display the current value. We also update the line width of the drawing context. We add click event listeners to each color option. When clicked, we set the stroke style of the drawing context to the corresponding color. The clear button allows users to clear the canvas. When clicked, we use the clear rect method to erase the entire canvas. The Save button enables users to save their drawings as an image. When clicked, we convert the canvas to a data URL and create a download link for the image. We listen for mouse down, mouse up, and mouse move events on the window. When the mouse is pressed down, we set draw to true, indicating that drawing is in progress. As the mouse moves, we draw lines on the canvas from the previous position to the current position. And there you have it with this JavaScript code. Our drawing app now has full functionality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. See you in the next one.